Well, I'm out again, trying out the trike. I'm just running in first gear, which allows me to pedal, but it also gives me a little of assistance when it starts to go uphill. Pretty nice way how this thing works. It rolls right along. Pretty uneven ground. Everybody's curious about this thing.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Come on, guys.
Working on the trail, huh?
Pardon?
Are they working on the trail?
I didn't notice it. It must be way up ahead of us.
Oh, okay. Kind of gets used to this thing with the sloping trail. It slopes one direction, slopes the other, and tries to throw you off, but you still think you're on a bicycle, which you're not. Hell, let's see if I can get through here. Oh yeah. Oh boy. This is a little rough. Got down to this spot. I know I'm not going to be able to get up the trail, main trail. Oh. Yeah. Phew. Got down this side creek here. This thing works pretty good. You won't believe this. You know what that is? It's one of my folding chairs. I could take the chair off and sit here if I wanted to. Yeah, nice day now. My wife said I had to have a hard hat. Never wore one of these before. They ain't bad, but kind of chilly. Oh, this little thing here, that's not going to be my radar. I've got one of them little tiny cameras I'm going to put up there. That way I don't have to have that big camera there hanging around my waist. Anyway, I'm truly amazed with this thing to do, where it'll go. Get a little nervous though when you're going like this, because it, you know, if it's flat, but if it tips to one side or the other on the trail, you got to kind of get used to it. It takes a couple of my neighbors tried riding it, and they found out that mentally your brain thinks you're riding a bicycle, but you're not riding a bicycle. It's more like running a car or something. And you can't lean into the corners and stuff. Just turn and go like you're driving a truck or something, or a bulldozer. I don't know. But anyway, I think it takes 3 to 5 hours on this thing to really get the feel for it. But it's one hell of a lot of fun. Yeah, I just go kind of slow down the trail here. Don't want to get going too fast downhill. Nice and flat, I can pedal quite fast. I'm gonna do a little bit more close-up pictures here in a little bit. I'll put on with this video, I guess. Well, the only thing I noticed that is kind of strange that I have to deal with, there's no reverse. So just like any other trike, you know, you back it up yourself. According to this speedometer here, I'm going about 3 to 4 miles an hour. Oh, I really got to get confused about this thing.
Thankfully, he's not much of a chaser.
Oh, good. Playing with her dog, I guess. People are always asking me how come I wear such big baggy clothes. Well, my wife buys all my clothes at the secondhand store. So I get what I get, and I wear what I get, and I shut up. Plus, you know, kind of don't want to show off my 70-year-old physique, you know. Pretty flat tummy. Keeps talking about rain, but it just sprinkles once in a while. Well, it might be the end of May here, but it's still winter up there. The water lilies are starting to come out in the muskegs. That is a pretty little thing. I think I've seen one of those before. That one's really pretty. Yeah, we got some water spiders and we got some raindrops over here. Go on, you little buggers. Water spiders. Coming out here in one of the muskeg pools. Look at him go. Wow, really close to this survivor moss. Pretty impressive. Getting that close to something. Really close. Kind of hard to get close up here with the wind blowing a little bit. The stuff on there. Really small. Yeah, this is the top of the shore pines. Fascinating. I guess I could probably get closer. More power on this lens, but my gosh, I don't want to get too close. I can't hold it still and keep it in focus. Wow. I found this down in the moss. This is like smaller than small. Look at how small it is. I have no idea what it is. It's sure small. My gosh. What a tiny flower. Most people would never have seen it. You gotta literally almost put your nose to the ground to see it. My gosh. Yeah, look at that. There's still some color around here. I don't know why these are all red color and the others are all green. Pretty amazing. That's a pretty little thing too. Boy, they're small. I just don't know what all these meant. This might be cinquefoil, I'm not sure. Very, very pretty. All the little stems. Or stamens. Can't even remember what they're called anymore. Very pretty flower. Small. Just a tiny little thing. Yeah, that was interesting. Yeah, made it back to the trailhead. Yeah.